On how to use some of our online resources for genealogy. So this is our third installment of this, and by now you should know we go to the library homepage to helpful links and down to resources. Once you get here, we're going to go down to our third resource, which is Heritage Quest. So we're going to click on this. It is run by Ancestry, so it has a lot of the same features. It has this same little family history search simplified, and since I've already shown that, I'm not going to go over that again. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and hit begin searching, and you have all sorts of options. So you can go by census year, books, wills and probates, military records, immigration records, and what I find most interesting about Heritage Quest is down here you have records in other locations. And this can be really helpful, especially if you know you have relatives that immigrated from other places like the UK, Canada, Central America, Europe, Russia, all the places. And those can be very helpful, although it is important to remember if they immigrated from somewhere where the official language is not English, the records probably will not be in English. They will be in another language, and Ancestry probably won't have them translated. So that does make it a little bit more difficult. But let's go ahead and say I want to search census records. We're going to try 1870. And look, there's all these Tysons. So we're going to try Stephen. And Stephen, has a very faded census. So if you run your mouse over, it'll still highlight and say what it thinks that the record says, but this is very hard to read, and this one might not be the best choice. So if we go back and choose somebody else, let's say we choose Georgina Tyson in Pennsylvania, and go ahead and click her. And here we go. Hers is much easier to read, and it's got lots of information. So we have George W. Tyson, Anna M., Mary, Sarah, and Georgina. And her inferred parents are Anna and George, because he is farmer and head of the household, and she keeps house. So this is how to use Heritage Quest, specifically the census option. The rest of the search options are very similar, and it's recommended that you edit your search and try different misspellings or how your name sounds if it was spelled, because a lot of times they were not asking these people how their names were spelled. They were hearing it and then writing it down what they thought it was. Hope that helps, and good luck finding some fun information online with the library resources. Have a good day.